update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened with a huge gap up today and thereafter traded in a sideways manner for most part of the day, and it ended the day with a 99-point gain in today's trading session. The market breadth was positive with 915 advances to 600 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, the IT pack, that is mainly Infosys and TCS, closed with minor losses today, and the oil and gas heavyweight Reliance with the FMCG heavyweight ITC closed with minor losses in trade today. On the flip side, ICICI Bank, ONGC, HDFC Limited, Tata Motors, L&T, Hindalco, Ultratech Cement were some of the big gainers in trade today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has taken support at the lower end of this falling wedge pattern, and in today's trading session, it has closed above the upper end or the upper trend line of the wedge pattern, which indicates that the pattern might be complete and now we should be heading higher in the coming trading sessions. The daily momentum indicator is not having a positive crossover as of now. However, the price action in today's session suggested that the correction might be over at the penultimate day trading session low, and now we have started a fresh move on the upside. Considering these factors, we have changed our short-term trend or the short-term bias on Nifty to positive with a target of 8030. 8030 is the previous swing high. We feel that this 8030 is a crucial resistance, and the Nifty should move on the upside up till that and higher. But on the upside, it is still trading below the 20 and 40 daily moving averages. So that is a point of concern at this point of time. However, on the hourly charts, you can observe that this sideways consolidation is not impulsive in nature and is just a sideways consolidation after the huge gap up opening that we saw today. So in the coming trading sessions, our bias on the Nifty is positive. We expect this sideways consolidation to break on the upside, and the Nifty should trade with a positive bias in the coming trading sessions. It is possible on a lower degree chart that this sideways consolidation is a part of wave 4 of the higher degree wave 1. So post this on the hourly charts, once we complete the 5-wave advance, we might get a retracement, and that should be a good opportunity for traders to go long. However, it is advised to go long even at current levels, as the downside is limited. So it is possible that the traders can go long at current levels, and also the traders can look for buying on dips. Our short-term trend, the short-term bias for Nifty is changed to positive with a target of 8030 on the upside. The reversal level is placed at 7765. 7765 is a crucial swing low on the hourly charts. If that is breached, then we will have to reassess the situation at that point of time. So we have placed the reversal level at 7765, and the target on the upside is placed at 8030. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. On the Bank Nifty, we can observe that there was a huge gap up opening, and the Bank Nifty also post the gap up opening traded in a sideways manner throughout the day. Banking stocks like Axis Bank, State Bank of India, ICICI Bank all closed with gains today. Currently it is trading around the previous swing high, so it becomes very important for the Bank Nifty, if it has to continue its positive momentum on the upside, it has to trade above 16,310, 16,350 odd levels, which is around this crucial swing high. So once the Bank Nifty manages to sustain above the levels of 16,310, 16,350, that will bring in more buying in Bank Nifty, which will lead to rise in the Bank Nifty. currently it is trading around that crucial resistance, so it is very important the Bank Nifty trades above that. So on the upside, 16,310 is a crucial resistance. If it manages to trade comfortably above that, then 16,500 becomes the next crucial resistance. On the downside, 15,973 and 15,843 are crucial supports. Our view on the Bank Nifty is also positive, in line with the view of the Nifty. So overall friends, our view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty have changed to positive. We expect the positive momentum that we saw today shall continue in the coming trading sessions. For the Nifty, 7907 and 7940 are crucial resistances. On the downside, 7853 and 7825 are crucial supports. Our target on Nifty is at 8030 with a reversal placed at 7765. That's all for the day. Thank you.